गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन अंदर आपणे लिमिट एनो टाइप 2 कंप्लीट करेलो हतो। नेक्स्ट टाइप 3 सम स्टैंडर्ड लिमिट एनी अंदर रूल नंबर 1 इफ लिमिट x टेंड्स टू a x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a is given, then its limit is n a raised to n minus 1. Let's see first example. Limit x tends to 2 x raised to 4 2 raised to 4 upon x minus 2. Here 2, here a, x minus a, x minus 2. So a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4. So 4 multiplication में 2 raised to 4 minus 1 4 2 raised to 3 4 8 32. This is your answer. Next example number 2. Limit x limit x tends to 64 x raised to 2 by 3 minus 64 raised to 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 64 raised to 3 by 2. So here limit x tends to 64 x raised to 2 by 3 minus 64 raised to 2 by 3 upon x raised to 3 by 2 minus 64 raised to 3 by 2 multiplied by x minus 64 x minus 64. So limit x tends to 64 x raised to 2 by 3 64 raised to 2 by 3 divided by x minus 64 multiplied by x minus 64 upon x raised to 3 by 2 minus 64 raised to 3 by 2. Now here a is equal to 64, n is equal to 2 by 3. Here a is equal to 64, n is equal to 3 by 2. Limit n multiplication में 2 by 3 a, that means 64 raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 multiplied by 1 upon, because અહીંયા છેદમાં આપેલું છે એટલે 1 upon 3 by 2 આગળ multiplication માં 64 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 2 by 3 64 2 minus 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 by 2 64 3 minus 2 by 2. So 2 by 3 64 raised to minus 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 by 2 64 raised to 1 by 2. માઇનસ છે એટલે આપણે છેદમાં લેશું 64 raised to 1 by 3 1 upon છેદનો છેદ અંશ થશે એટલે 2 3 64 raised to 1 by 2 2 2s are 4 3 3s are 9 ગુણાકાર એટલે ઘાતનો સરવાળો 64 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 4 9 64 લસા લેશું 2 plus 3 divided by 2 4 9 64 raised to 5 by 2. So 64 means 16 no square 16 raised to 2 5 by 2 2 2 cancel. So 9 multiplied by 16 raised to 4 16 raised to 4 sorry 16 raised to 5 not 4 16 16, 16, 16, 16. Divided by 6. Divided by 6, not 2. Divided by 6. So 6, 2 raised to 9, 64 divided by 5. So 9 multiplied by 2 raised to 64 કેટલી ઘાત થઈ જોશું આપણે 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. 6, 6 cancel. 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5, 32. 8. 1 upon 72. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. Limit x tends to 5, x raised to 1 by 2 minus a means 5 raised to 1 by 2 upon x minus 5. So a is equal to 5, n is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 આગળ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન માં આવી જશે. a means 5 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 5 raised to minus 1 by 2. માઇનસ ની ઘાત કાઢવી હોય તો છેદમાં 1 by 2 એટલે રૂટ 2 multiplied by 5 root. This is your answer. Next, example number 4. Limit x tends to 2, x raised to 1 by 6 minus 2n square raised to 1 by 12 divided by x raised to 1 by 3 minus 2 raised to 1 by 3. 6. X raised to 1 by 6, 2 raised to 1 by 6, x raised to 1 by 3, 2 raised to 1 by 3. Limit x tends to 2. Now multiply and divide કરશું x minus 2 વડે. x minus 2, x minus 2. So limit x tends to 2, x raised to 1 by 6 minus 2 raised to 1 by 6 upon x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2, x raised to 1 by 6, 2 raised to 1 by 6. So limit here n is equal to 1 by 6, a is equal to 2. Same way here a is equal to 2, n is equal to 1 by 3, not 1 by 6. 1 by 3, this one. So 1 by 6 આગળ multiplication માં 2 raised to 1 by 6 minus 1 multiplied by 1 upon 1 by 3 આગળ multiplication માં 2 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 6, 2 raised to 1 minus 6 by 6. 3 છેદનો છેદ અંશ થશે. 2 raised to 1 minus 3 divided by 3. 1 by 6, 2 raised to minus 5 by 6. 3, 2 raised to minus 2 by 3. 1 by 6 minus ઘાત છે એટલે છેદમાં આવી જશે 5 by 6. 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2, 2 raised to 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6. 1 by 2, 2 raised to 12 minus 15 divided by 18. No. 6 છે એટલે 2 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશે. 4 minus 5 by 6. લસા લેશું 6. So 1 by 2, 2 raised to minus 1 by 6. માઇનસની ઘાત કાઢવી હોય તો છેદમાં 1 by 6. 1 by 6 એટલે 6th રૂટ. અહીંયા એક ઘાત, અહીંયા 6 ગુણાકાર એટલે ઘાતનો સરવાળો. 1 plus 1 by 6, 2 raised to 6 1 जा 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 6. This is your answer. 2 raised to 7 by 6. Next, last of this rule, limit x tends to 1 by 5. So limit x tends to 1 by 5, 5 x raised to 3 minus 1 raised to 3 divided by 5x raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4 multiplied by 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1 by 5, 5x cube minus 1 divided by 5x minus 1 multiplied by 5x minus 1, 5x raised to 4 minus 1. Limit x tends to 1 by 5. Here x is equal to a is equal to 1 by 5, this one, and n is equal to 3. Here a is equal to 1 by 5 and n is equal to 4. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 5 raised to 3 minus 1 multiplied by 1 upon 4, 1 by 5 raised to 4 minus 1, 3 1 by 5 નો સ્ક્વેર, 1 upon 4, 1 by 5 ની 3 ઘાત. ગુણાકાર એટલે ઘાતની બાદબાકી. So 3 divided by 4, 1 by 5, 3 minus 2, 3 4 1 by 5 raised to 1, 3 multiplied by 5 by 4, 15 divided by 4. This is your answer. Here our first rule is completed. In next session we will start our next rule. Thank you.